for our fourth and final quarter. 7 on the shot clock. Crossing over, stepping back. Overcooking is number 25. 22 from deep, no good. Number 15 on that rebound. 25 in the freeway. Sanado for 2. De Guzman, no good this time. Saved by Mr. Rosales. Napasa kami ni De La Cruz. Number 15, pass to number 25. Back-to-back points para kay number 25. Stopping that possession from Mr. De La Cruz, number 11. Salinel to Seniedo for 2, number 25. Baba sa 4 ang kalamangan ng teams Hagonoy. Jose in the corner against De La Cruz. 8 on the shot clock, reaching in for that ball is number 16, breaking the defense. Salinel from deep. Bang! Loose ball for Team Hagonoy. Sundot ni Salinel. Number 25, blowing by the defense. End-to-end drive. Tie ball game. Number 3. 10 on the shot clock. Seniedo. Short jumper is good. 3. Cross-court pass to Seniedo on that jab. Drive in the paint. Suwabing suwabe. Mula kay number 25. Timeout call by Team Hagonoy.